Hey CS10, this is a short video to demonstrate how to set a tile on the board and get it moving around. Okay, so I've created a test board global variable over here just for demonstration purposes, and I have set it equal to a new board of size 4. And if I want to be setting a tile on the board, I'm thinking a useful block will probably be the set item of that was outlined in the spec. So let's say I wanted an 8 to appear at tile 3, 2, aka row 3, column 2. How could I do that? Well, if you open up set item or you read the spec, you'll see that it takes inputs row, then column, then a board, then a value, which is exactly what we want here. So if I say set item row 3, column 2 of test board to an 8, and I click that, in test board, the 8 is there, but we don't see it on the display yet. How can we tell the displayed board to update itself? Well, we can use this update display for block over in looks. We can tell it to update the display for the test board. So if I click that, we see that, okay, we've updated the display over here, and it shows that yes, in fact, the 8 was there on the test board. Okay, so let's try and get the 8 to move up one block, because I think we're going to be doing a lot of that in maybe the merge column block. Okay, so what's involved in moving a tile up? Well, 1, we have to delete the 8 from this spot, and 2, we have to add an 8 at this spot, or set an 8 at this spot. So how can we do that? Well, let's grab another couple of sets here and see if we can make that happen. So we're definitely going to be wanting to set item 2 of the board with that 8. And what are we going to be wanting to set at item 3 to? Well, if we're trying to clear it out here, we should just set it to be 0. So let's try this out. If I click that and then I update the display, I see that there it is, my 8 has moved up. Now this little operation is something we're probably going to be doing a lot of in the merge up. So I would totally recommend abstracting this little operation into something maybe called, let's make it right now, move tile at row column up 1 on board. We know that row and column are each going to be numbers. And we know that the input type for a board we use as a list. Great. One thing that we'll have to do in here besides what we did here is we're going to have to generalize getting that 8. And we're probably going to have to get the value at 3.2 before we delete it so that we can set it at item 2.2 here. You could imagine writing a similar block for merging a tile up rather than moving a tile up and using both of these in your merge column block. So that's all for now. Feel free to check out the old Homework 3 helper videos on this channel if you want some more ideas, and good luck.